Send out proposals and never hear back? InvoicifyAI's estimate follow-up agent automatically calls your customers and nudges them to a decision. Let's listen to how the AI follows up on this quote.
This is Alex with Renovations, calling about the estimate we sent you earlier for the kitchen backsplash work we discussed. I wanted to see if you had any questions or ready for next steps.
Yeah, hi. Would it be possible for you to give me a call maybe, let's say, tomorrow around 4 p.m.? I'm still waiting on a few more quotes, and once I have them all, I'll review them and I'll let you know my decision.
Absolutely, no problem at all. We'll give you a call back tomorrow around 4 p.m. Thank you for your time. If you have any further questions, we're here to help. Have a great day. Goodbye.
After the call, InvoicifyAI logs that Dean is still comparing quotes and has the AI agent follow up at the time he requested. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. No sticky notes, no manual reminders. The full transcript and recording stay attached to the estimate, so you can review exactly what was said whenever you need. Don't let your quotes go cold. Let our AI agents follow up. InvoicifyAI.com.